In the heart of the wilderness, where the sky meets the peaks, a powerful symphony begins. This is not just any music, it's the sound of nature's might, thunder rolling in the mountains. But what makes mountain thunder so awe-inspiring, so unique? Today we dive into the heart of the storm to uncover the secrets behind this natural phenomenon. Thunder is the sound produced by lightning. When lightning bolts travel from clouds to the ground, they heat the air around them to an astonishing 30,000 degrees Celsius, causing the air to expand rapidly and create a sonic shockwave we know as thunder. Mountains act like natural amphitheaters. Their vast, hard surfaces reflect and amplify the sound of thunder, allowing it to roll across valleys and canyons, creating a longer, more rolling sound compared to the thunder heard on open plains. But there's more to this auditory spectacle. The interaction between the unique topography of mountains and the dynamic weather patterns creates a perfect stage for thunderstorms. As warm, moist air rises over the slopes, it cools and condenses, forming storm clouds. The rugged terrain encourages the formation of more severe storms, making mountain thunder not only louder, but also more frequent. This powerful display of nature's force is not just a treat for the ears, but also a signal. For the flora and fauna, thunder marks a change, a moment to seek refuge and prepare for the nourishing rains that follow. The rolling thunder in the mountains is a reminder of our planet's dynamic and powerful nature. It's a call to respect and protect these natural wonders, ensuring they continue to awe and inspire for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this electrifying journey into the heart of the mountain thunderstorm. Remember, every thunderclap echoes the untold stories of our planet's incredible power and beauty. For more fascinating insights into the natural world, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Until next time, keep listening to the Symphony of the Earth.